We have people saying V4.7, which was yesterday's update. We have V4.8 out today. People are already using this, okay? And before I start this video, I need you guys to comment down below what you guys need to see about our tools, our automation, anything that you guys want to go ahead and see on this channel. I need your engagement so that way I can make the best videos possible. I want to spend the next 24 hours answering all of the comments that you guys leave down below and make videos. So once you guys go ahead and comment down below, I'm gonna go ahead and choose somebody. I'm gonna go ahead and make the video. We're gonna post it, and every single video, every single user is gonna get a shout out. And that's all you guys have to do. All right, if you guys want to go ahead and get access to the most powerful tools on TradingView, TrustedSignals.com has now just released V4.8. And if you guys want to know what we have added to this specific platform, okay, this specific tool set, we have full TP position control. You guys can now exit 100% at TP3. We have fully functional runner mode, give back protection, emergency stops loss control, and a daily drawdown and profit management system, which I'll show you really quickly. And this is for those who want to go ahead and say, I only made this amount, or I made $500. I just don't want no more alerts. We added all of these tools, all of these systems into your system yourself, so that way you guys can go ahead and fully customize it. Keep in mind that the next video I have, okay, is going to be answering all of your questions. So if it's a specific setting, a specific chart, a specific asset, right, we're going to be able to go ahead and make those videos for you. Automation is super simple, and we're gonna have a bunch of videos on that. This video right here is just really to showcase to you guys that our systems are out, they are fully functional. And in fact, if you guys want to go ahead and go to the profit section within our systems, you guys can see right here, we have people saying V4.7, which was yesterday's update. We have V4.8 out today. People are already using this, okay? And you can see right here, it's printing, okay? It's printing, right? Since upgrading to V4.7, I have not yet put out my settings video, which I'm gonna go ahead and do. I just wanted to start off this specific video with ask me a question. I need your engagement. I wanna go ahead and make the best possible videos. We have a bunch of videos that are gonna be released, so stay tuned.